SparkMES, an MES accelerator for ignition. In this video, we will explore the SparkMES track and trace package, the most expansive package in the SparkMES environment. The track and trace package records every detail of a part or good as it moves through production, including consumption, inline quality data, test result data, manual data, good or bad part data, and much more. It also handles quality assurance tasks like recipe parameters, flow control, and rework tracking. This is just a glimpse of its capabilities. At its core, there are 3 steps to any track and trace system. The first is to know what you should produce. This can come in the form of a production order, work order, batch, or whatever term you may use. The orders must be known to SparkMES so that we can make sure the appropriate materials or items are being processed. There are a couple ways to receive orders. One would be from an ERP system, which SparkMES can easily integrate with in order to pull order info such as bill of materials, routes, and quantities. Another would be to use this work order management screen to add, edit, or delete work orders and enter the appropriate information. When I add or edit a work order, I can enter the number, scheduled date, part number to produce, and more. On the right, I can optionally enter information about what serials or batch numbers should be produced by this order. Once we have our orders, we can enter the second step of producing the parts or goods. This step is by far the most varied part of any MES system, but also arguably the most critical. SparkMES supports both automated and manual process data gathering. For those manual processes, an operator execution screen will be provided for operators to interact with. It is critical that this execution screen is tailor-made to your operators and processes. This is where the flexibility of SparkMES is key, as the whole back-end is already made, and there are no guardrails in the way of building a custom execution screen. This is just an example of what an execution screen may look like for the track and trace package. The screen will allow for the operator to choose the work they are trying to do and then verify that they should be doing that work on this assembly. This screen will also display work instructions for the current process step to the operator. It also allows for data entry into the system, as well as scanning for consumptions. Again, this is just an example of an execution screen. It's possible to run completely headless if desired. The last step is to be able to view a history of all the data gathered during execution. This genealogy screen provides a report of everything that happened during work in progress. This tree shows the times that every station ran, as well as the data gathered. Additionally, it tracks any deviation in the process that occurred, as well as any nonconformances logged against this assembly or batch. Track and trace is crucial for compliance, ensuring that products meet industry standards and can be traced back to their source if needed. It enhances transparency and accountability, helping companies quickly identify and correct deviations or nonconformances. This is but a brief overview of the capabilities of the SparkMES track and trace package. But with the flexibility of SparkMES, the possibilities are endless. Ready to start your Spark journey? Contact us at flexwareinnovation.com or by visiting the link on your screen.